Imagine a state so energy-hungry that it's on the brink of a power crisis, and the policies meant to help are instead turning the screws tighter. That's the reality facing Texas today, where the Trump administration's latest moves could exacerbate an already precarious energy situation. On August 19, 2025, the energy landscape in deep red Texas is facing a monumental challenge. The state, known for its robust economy and rapid industrial growth, is in dire need of new power plants to sustain its economic momentum. However, President Donald Trump's recent policies have made this task significantly more difficult. The Lone Star State is witnessing an unprecedented boom in data centers, cryptocurrency mining operations, and manufacturing facilities. This surge in industrial activity is expected to drive a massive increase in peak electricity demand over the next 5 years, possibly even doubling current levels. To meet this demand, the majority of new power generation projects planned in Texas rely on renewable sources such as solar, wind, and battery storage. However, the landscape has shifted dramatically with the passage of Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill signed into law on July 4, 2025. This bill, which enshrines significant tax cuts, also eliminates crucial tax credits for renewable energy projects starting in 2028. This move effectively increases the cost of building new renewable energy infrastructure, potentially stifling the very solutions needed to address the looming energy crunch. But here's where it gets controversial. While some argue that the removal of tax credits will force the renewable energy sector to become more competitive and innovative, others believe it will simply slow down the transition to cleaner energy sources. What do you think? Should the government continue to provide financial incentives for renewable energy, or is it time for the market to take over? And this is the part most people miss. The impact of these policy changes extends beyond just the immediate cost of building new plants. It could also affect the long-term sustainability and reliability of Texas's energy grid, potentially leading to higher electricity costs for consumers and businesses alike. As Texas grapples with this complex issue, the debate over the role of government in supporting renewable energy is likely to intensify. Will the state find a way to bridge the gap and ensure a stable energy future? Or will it face a prolonged period of instability?